Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering a sharp nail clipper and a 180 grit file. Sit at a table with bright light and spread a towel to catch clippings. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and warm water for 2 minutes. Soak nails in warm water for 3 minutes to soften the edges. Dry nails completely to avoid slipping during cutting. Inspect each nail for ridges, dirt, or splitting before you begin clipping today. Hold the clipper close to the nail base with steady pressure. Make small, controlled cuts across the nail rather than one large cut. Always cut straight across and leave about 2 mm of free edge to prevent ingrown nails. Do not cut into the cuticle or trim the lateral nail folds. If a corner feels sharp, file it slightly. Do not dig into tissue. Smooth edges with a 180 grit file using light, single-direction strokes for even results. After clipping, file each nail to remove burrs and prevent snags. Use gentle strokes and avoid aggressive back-and-forth sawing that can split nails. Rinse off any dust and apply a moisturizing lotion to the nails and surrounding skin. Massage the nail bed for 2 minutes to increase circulation and promote healthy growth. Check nails for pain, redness, or persistent splitting and adjust your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.